Hello, welcome back. In this video we are seeing the files are arranged in the Turbo C in different folders. You can see the folder name TC is the one which is used to store all the files, and that is in the C drive. See, in the TC you can see many folders and some files in it. The folder names are BGI, bin, classlib, doc, etc. If you open and see the bin, you can see some executable files, including the Turbo C executable file and the shortcut of TC, the executable file of the C editor, and tlib, tlink. All those files are required for the C compiler for compiling linking its process. And if you go back the other folders, there is a folder called lib, and if you open it, in the folder you can see many library files with the extension .lib. lib stands for lib. Library files or lib files like maths, ch.lib, and all those library files are responsible for making the functionalities of many functions and the definitions of C language. And you can see another folder called include, in which all the header files are stored. The files with an extension .h, bios.h, conio.h, ctype, dir.h, direct.h, dos.h, and there are many .h files, the header files in it. graphics.h, io.h, iomanip.h, iostream.h, math.h, float.h, conio.h. the file, this one is responsible for the execution of getch function and clrcr, which we have already used in our programs. See, if you open the header file, you can see many C type definitions and prototypes. These definitions and prototypes are giving definition for the functions coming under the header file. And if you look, you can see stdio.h, the header file which we are using for printing. The function printf is defined or prototyped in the stdio.h header file. You can open the file and see the definitions and the prototypes declared. It is for input-output stream. All the input-output functionalities are prototyped or defined in this header file. End of file. Many constants are defined, and many functions are prototyped in it. You can open and see the file .h, stdio.h, but make sure that you are not making any changes, or you can leave it without saving. In the include, there is another folder called sys. In that, there are some system header files are included. There is another file, graphics.h, which is giving the functionalities for the graphics, drawing lines, circles, giving different colors, enumerating different colors, color palettes, Many structures are defined and some functions too are prototyped in this header file. This is the definitions given in the graphics.h header file. If you are using graphics, you should include this graphics.h, and you can see the BGI folder there. If you open the BGI folder, you can see some files with the extension BGI, and this is Borland graphics interface files, especially EGA VGA.bgi. That file is much required when we are using graphics in our C language programs. If you open examples, you can see some examples, and this is a new